Hi guys, I decided to show you how to use Fiverr if you've never used it, what to do, where to find people. Okay, so let's go. Um, just type in Fiverr, and from here you can see a lot of things. All the details are here. You can find video animation, music, writing and translation, and graphic design. If you can't find, because this obviously opens up to a lot more stuff. See, logo design and everything. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can, like, for example, just type in eCovers and search, and it will come up with a whole bunch of people. And the budget is here. You can set your own budget if you want. Like, what is the cap? If your budget is $5, which is 5 USD, then put it here. I usually like to go to with people who has a lot of work or reviews done, like this has a lot of work done and with a really good rating, because then I know that they've delivered, like, probably, like, what, here this person have delivered 600 plus jobs, so I know that they're gonna deliver because they do this. Okay, let's, like, if you click in like one of them, like funny bunny design, you will see this page. If you click on the person's name, you will see all the things that they offer and what's the starting price and how much have they delivered so far. Okay, so this is it. And you have to be, like, if I click on this because I want to find an e-cover, and yes, it starts at 5, but you have to see there's a basic, standard, and premium, and the price is revised according to the package. So if for basic package, just be aware that I will design 2D cover, or it's not and create 3D cover from your existing 2D. So it depends. Like, if you already have like the front cover done, which is a 2D cover, he will create the 3D like this into a box kind of thing. But if you haven't, like, you don't have the first page yet, he will just create the 2D cover for $5. And this is a standard. Here I will design 2D and create 3D items. See? When it's an and, it becomes $15, and the premium is the whole thing. Like workbook, CD, da da da. So it's like the whole complete set. Okay? And let's see, for example, this is something that I ordered from this person, an e-cover, and it cost me like $7. $5 goes to the designer, and $2 goes to Fiverr, because they're like giving the service. So let's see, I ordered this on July 4th, the delivery date, because they usually promise like same day or the next day delivery, but this one was revised, updated to 2 days later than that, because she needed extra information, and I was like fine with that. I wasn't in a hurry or anything. So this was what she designed for me when I didn't like really specify the color, because usually I want to see like what is the creativity, what can they do. I don't really like this kind of color, so I asked her to change and like go along with my team, because I like yellow and pink, and these are the kind of pictures I love. And this is what she came up with. Yeah, she came up with this, which is exactly what I want, so it's fine. And I just gave her, like, review 5 star. Let's see another one that I ordered. I ordered a logo here. And again, this is the same thing, like saying to them, okay, what kind of inspiration do I like? And then they're gonna give you the work and then give you an just review, and it's $7. $5 goes to the designer, majestic work, and $2 goes to the platform service provider Fiverr. And that's it. That's all. Simple, easy, 2 day done. All right. So I'll see you in the another how to video next time. Thank you.